Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. Welcome back guys. And today guys we're gonna cook chicken with Bok Choy. My niece tell me I must cook chicken with Bok Choy today for her. And dumpling. So I have my chicken over here, I have my Bok Choy here, and all my seasonings are here guys. And my flour and little cornmeal is over here. So I'm gonna put this aside and season chicken first, set it aside, and then I get started. Okay guys? So stay tuned and keep watching while I cut up my chicken, wash it and season it, and then I show you step by step. Here again this morning time. I'm gonna show you a little peek at my garden maybe one of these days when it's nice outside. It's raining outside right now. So another day I'll show you a little peek of my garden. I'm not gonna cook all of these guys, but I'm gonna clean up what I'm gonna cook. And these chicken are grain-fed chicken guys. It's a little bit expensive more than the other one, but I prefer this one. But the other one were very small, so I said no, better buy this one. Okay guys, so this is the last piece I'm gonna cut. After finish cutting it, I'm gonna clean up wash my board and wash my chicken after. So this is the last piece. Okay guys, I'm finished now. I'm going to use this hand. I'm going to add some lime juice. Add some vinegar. Half a lime from last night. I used to make my tea. Still squeeze that over it. And I've used this one to rub on my cutting board. So guys, I'm gonna go in the sink and wash my cutting board and my knives. Okay guys, we're gonna do the dry seasoning first guys. I'm gonna start with my Mrs. Dash. Just a little dash of it, not much. Call it a teaspoon. My Maggi seasoning all purpose. Another little dash. Garlic plus. Another little dash. Ginger, ground ginger, another little dash. I love to cook with ginger. A little seasoned salt, just another little dash. This has salt in it. Onion powder. Dash of it because I have fresh onion, black pepper, a little dash of black pepper, I have paprika over here, but I have it in another different jar. This is paprika. Another little dash of paprika. I'm going to add a little season to the bone seasoning. Just another little dash. So now I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, mushroom one, the mushroom flavor. Okay, that may be a tablespoon. So guys, I'm going to get my gloves on and I'm going to rub up this. It up and I'm gonna put it aside, and then I'm gonna need my dumpling put aside also, and then I cut my Bok Choy and put it aside also. guys, when you season your meat, you're rubbing all the seasoning into the meat, okay guys? Give it all your love. I think everything gets the seasoning now. I'm gonna look about all my wet seasoning now and put on top. But I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna cover it, put it aside, and then look about the wet seasoning. So okay guys, I'm covering it. I'm gonna set it aside, and I'm gonna cut my onions and peppers and my scallop green onions, everything I'm to put on it after. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, I'm cutting my onion. I cut my sweet pepper already. Doing my onion now. So I have a whole onion guys, and I'm gonna cut green onion now. Just have 3 spots of green onion. Finish with my green onion. Put this side. Oh, I have another small onion. I'm gonna cut it up also. After I finish this one guys, I'm gonna cut my my Bok Choy and set it aside also. So when I start cooking, I have everything ready. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes. Looking good. Add the tomato to the sweet pepper. The other one. So okay guys, I'm finished cutting now. the wet ingredients in there. My chicken. I'm gonna add the sweet pepper. Adding all my onions. Adding all my green onions also. I'm gonna add my Scotch Bonnet pepper last. I'm gonna rub it up first before I add my Scotch Bonnet pepper. And my thyme. Let me clean up a little bit. Okay guys, I'm rubbing up my chicken with my green seasoning. Not gonna blend it today. I'm just gonna rub it in. So okay guys, I'm gonna set it aside and keep it marinate for a while. I'm gonna do my Pok Choy now. I'm gonna cut up my Pok Choy and set aside also. So stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm separating my Pok Choy. I have to wash them properly because there's sand on them. So I'm gonna run them very well underneath the water so I can get rid of all the sand. Then I start cutting them up. So I'm going to put them in the sink and run the water very well on them and get rid of all the sand. Okay guys, so stay tuned and just keep watching, okay? Step by step. I'm showing you everything what I'm doing today. So okay guys, I'm going to start cutting my Pok Choy now. Guys, the next next Pok Choy and chicken I'm gonna use the chicken breast for those people who don't like the bones. I know some people don't like bones, so I'm gonna make another version without bones for you guys. So you can see if you can have a choice. Either you can cook it this way or you can cook it the other way I'm gonna show you. I remember before when I was back home, I used to go to this place right beside Coronation Market in Kingston to buy it from a China. It was a Chinese man though. They used to make chopped stew there. Oh my god, every week I have to eat that chopped stew. Every week I always go there. You know me. When you see me coming, you know what I want. But he used to make the one with the bone. He used to make the chicken with the bone. So. back then I used to pay like $5 for a dish of food. Oh my god. Now see how much is a dish of food back home. Those times I used to pay $5 for a lunch. So I used to go to Coronation every Wednesday. So every Thursday I used to go to that Chinaman to get my chops chewy. So nice. Guys, I'm finished cutting my bok choy. I'm gonna set it aside and I'm gonna look about my chicken. I'm gonna start cooking my chicken. My niece may be hungry now. It's after 12 o'clock and she hasn't eaten lunch yet. So we're gonna start cooking our chicken, guys. I'm gonna set that aside and start cooking my chicken. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, my pot is hot, so I'm gonna add my oil. I'm using vegetable oil. So it's heating up. I'm gonna get my gloves on. Guys, this is how my chicken looking. Spin again. Drop it in the pot. It smells so nice, guys. The smell is so nice. I'm just waiting a little bit more for my oil to heat up properly. I'm gonna test it and see. Let me test it with something, see if it's hot. No, it's not hot yet. Give it a little bit more. Okay guys, so my oil is hot now, so we're gonna put our meat inside. Because it's well hot. So we're gonna throw the meat in there. As you can see, the oil is very hot. I'm putting everything inside. And I'm not going to add any water to it. I'm just going to leave it, cover it, and let it spring its own water. So I'm going to give it a stir. I'm gonna give it a stir and cover it and let it spring its own water. It's looking very nice. So my niece stew chicken is coming on very nice. This is what she requested today. You can make your own requests also, guys. So I'm going to cover it and let it make its own water. And I'll be right back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm making a stir. Coming on very fine. I'm gonna add my Scotch Bonet pepper. I'm not gonna cut it up. So know how hot they are. Just gonna drop it in there and cover it and let it stay cooking. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. So okay guys, as you can see, it's coming on pretty fine. Cooking it on low and medium heat. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit more after. Halfway in the cooking I'm gonna turn it down lower, but now it's on medium. So stay tuned guys. I will keep cooking and keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see it's coming on pretty fine. Looking very nice. Turn the stove lower down. It's on medium now, but I'm gonna put it lower than medium and let it stay there and simmer. Let me put it down a little bit on the medium so you can cook slowly. When you cook your meat slowly, it tastes better to me. So at the end we will add our Popchow. So stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I'm gonna add my Popchow to my chicken. I don't want to take any water. I'm not showing it because I don't use any water in here. Don't go inside. I'm just gonna give this like 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. There's more water inside. I'm gonna give it more than less than 5 minutes because I don't want my Popchow to be cooked too much. So I'm just gonna stir it up, give it like 2 minutes and take it and turn off the stove. Okay guys? So okay guys, as you can see I'm stirring everything together. Some more Popchow to put inside. I'm gonna put everything together. Just 2 minutes because I don't want the Popchow to cook too soft. I need some crispiness inside. And this was 3 head of Popchow guys. You can put less if you want or you can put more if you want. I put 3. Right, the steam go over it, it's all gone. As soon as the steam catch it, everything gone. So give it 2 minutes and then I turn off the stove. Stay tuned guys. So okay guys, I have 3 cups of flour in here and 1/4 cup of cornmeal. So I'm gonna and a little dash of salt. I did it twice. I just ring it twice on there. So I'm gonna stir it up, stir everything together. And I'm gonna knead this and put aside. This is what she says she wants, dumpling to eat with her stew chicken and Popchow. Maybe I'm gonna steam some rice for mine. We'll see. You tell me what you want to eat with yours in the comment section. If you need a dumpling or you need some rice. guys, I'm gonna set this aside now, and I'm gonna do my Bok Choy. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna put a towel over it and set it aside. So guys, I'm gonna start making my dumplings now. And I have a lot of videos up with dumplings already. I think I'm just gonna show you maybe 2 or 3, because I have a video with dumplings up already. But because I'm doing this video with it, I'm just gonna show you. My niece loves dumplings. You know, some Canadian kids love certain things. She loves dumplings. So guys, our potato stew chicken is here. It's finished. As you can see, guys, looking very nice. The Bok Choy not cooked too much on the al dente side. So now I'm gonna share a plate for my niece. She's hungry now, so I have to get her something to eat right now. So I'm gonna share a plate. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe please to our channel. And tell me where you're watching us from, guys, so we can give you a shout out in the next video, okay? Sharing her plate. What a gravy. Maybe I'm gonna have to dry it a little bit more. This is her plate. Bok Choy and chicken. I'm gonna clean up the edges a little bit. So this is her plate, guys. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me where you're watching us from, guys, so I can give you a shout out in your next video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in our next video. God bless you. Thanks. Ciao.